Hello guys, what's up? It's your boy Victorious Mind. Victory is mine. I want to speak a little more about love, what love really is, spiritually, spiritual meaning of love, because love can be misused in so many ways. But if we don't really understand what love is, then we won't understand what's really happening inside people's hearts, inside with the universe. So let's take a deeper look on what love really is. For example, if my children, if I have a child and the child disobey me, for example, um, sorry about this. For example, if sorry about that, if I want to discipline my child, I said, okay, don't put your hand in this fire or it will burn you. And the child don't want to listen. Child might try to attempt to put his or her hand in the fire still. I would slap that child or spank that child. Yeah, I'll slap or spank that child, right? So that is love because you're trying to teach the child that, listen, if you don't listen and be obedient to me, your parent, then there is consequences. So we teach them from an early age about disobedience, guidance, leading them to the right path. As a parent, that is love. Only love can make you want to curve your child, raise your child in a way that they will have principle in them. And that way they could carry it on to their children and keep on carrying it on. So what is spiritual love? Is that when you see things happening sometimes, it might look destructional, like for example, the universe and nature. Sometimes it can be destructive, so beautiful, but yet so destructive. Because love is always trying to cleanse. Love is always trying to purge. Love is always trying to refine you, refine things, refine itself. So that's how you can look at it as a dualistic force. That's the reason why love is everything. Because just as all love can bring you happiness, peace, joy, it can also seem destructive. Why? Because it's cleansing. It's a cleansing force. It's a cleansing, it's a purging force. So, spiritually speaking, if we see disaster happening sometimes, taking place, spiritually what this means is love is the love energy, the love force. It's is cleansing. It's purging out the impurity, the 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 imperfection, the impurity. So it will seem destructive while it's doing that. Um, yeah, so that's what's basically going on. Um, love is always cleansing. So the force of love will seem like it's destructive, but it's really not. It's just trying to purge and cleanse and refine. Whether it's within yourself, whether it's in nature, whether it's spiritual, it's the same principle. It's ever cleansing. And to be evil, it has to follow with intention. So you see, there's no evil without intention. And doesn't mean that if you're evil, you can't do good. You can't be of love. Of course not. All you got to do is just cleanse yourself with that love of force. And while cleansing yourself, it's going to seem like it's so hard. It's going to seem like this is a mountain you can't, so difficult to climb, because you always have to continue to just on a daily basis. That's why it's so hard to know oneself, because you always have to keep working on yourself every day, 24/7. So it's hard work. That's what love is. You love yourself, you gotta work hard at it. So cleanse yourself. That's a spiritual meaning. Cleanse yourself, because it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be difficult. It's gonna be tough. You're gonna meet some tough hurdle to climb. But that's what love is. You're cleansing your impurity. Right? So that's what's going on. And while you can look at it as God's work, the almighty creation work, the creator work, it's definitely the same concept. It's the same idea. The God, the creator of all things, is cleansing the universe, is purging out any impurity, and it's going to look destructive, because that's what love is. It's a cleansing. And when you're cleansing, every impurity has to be removed, within and without. So internally, you go through battle, you're cleansing yourself. Internally, it manifests on the outside, it looks destructive. But make no mistake about it. That's love. There is no love without destruction. If you wanna put it that way, in this universe that we live in. Remember, there's many universes, but this universe that we live in, it's always a dualistic universe. So you're always going to find the opposite. Everything, there's an opposite in this universe that we live. So that's where it's coming from. On a deeper level, sometimes love is going to look destructive, but it's really not. Don't have any fear. The victory is always your mind. You cleanse your heart, you cleanse your mind, you cleanse your body, you cleanse your soul. You would be at peace with yourself. You will be at peace with nature, with the universe, with everybody around you. But hey, it's your boy again. The victory is always your mind. Remember that. It's your boy Victor Mind. That's another one. Love. Keep it flowing. Yeah.